big fish among the ladies. Not true.
True to go to.
Because you ought to the way you take say you not get mad, just now the way KD body take shake for back of camera. Me dey caring. I'm a caring type. So everybody around knows say me na caring type. You say na lie, go ask my girlfriend.
Go ask you.
Go ask for my girlfriend. You know understand. So right now we're going to share.
Okay.
We have the toast to life, to prosperity, to all the good things,
all the
you know,
happiness.
all the things when we say we come to this industry, come find, we'll get them.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G-Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
My concern right now is your Benin name.
Okay.
You should have a language name because Chantel Smith.
That's not a name. It's not even Smith. It's Smith. If Facebook is not my real name. Anyone, you know why you may be or amazing.
Amazing, merci for.
Amazing. Igi sagbone where hunia. You know about when you want to chant any baby. Ele way I even the name. So my amazing yeri bay.
Pull your way. Sorry. You go say can you where you ina mi we go say Mudao. My addition I won't let how you say.
Still without Chantel Smith, all the way from, I don't want to mention our location because of, you know, from Iguayame.
Hey.
So, okay. All right, that's cool. Chantel, you know, it's not that amazing, but there's something akin.
Yeah.
Because the last time I checked, I don't know where you take home, but all of a sudden, not be say me don't take for inside, but all of a sudden, really to see, you know, a beautiful diva.
Okay.
Could be like, see, she just make noise for inside industry. I still be that one, they'll say I Chantel. I'll go this, I'll be that one, they'll say I Chantel. So I want to know this Chantel. You paid you already. You know, so I don't ask her, so until one day I come, now you be, you know. So I was extremely glad because even when I see your beauty, when I see your appearance, when I see your vocals, you know, even your dialogues in movie, so I was not disappointed because everything goes according to your name. So I was expecting, say, if I finally see the Chantel, say maybe she not meet up to the standard. Oh yeah, she's not worthy to be here. But when I saw you, you were even up to the, you were more than the task, not up to, not equal to. You were more than, far away more than.
Wow,
so I appreciate that part. So, but I am very sure, say that person bring you in.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very sure because you locating industry on your own, I don't think it's an easy thing. So I believe you need opinion and the advice of someone, someone different. So I wonder who that person will be.
I think it was 2012 or so.
Okay.
So I was searching for a job then.
You were searching for a job?
Yeah.
So cool.
I met this guy, Dixon Osaze.
Oh.
Ocean Porter, yeah.
Ocean Porter, yeah.
So it was like, he's looking for a marketer to help him market his film.
Yeah.
That, well, I forget the name of the film, yeah.
Okay.
So I registered the marketer, so started working for him as a mass radio marketer.
Okay, you were doing some street selling.
Yeah, street selling
for him.
Here and there. So I was a dancer then.
Oh.
So it was like, he saw some art in me that he wants me to be an actress. I was like, he said, he might film me there. A camera, he was one gay. He said, you can do it. Like that word, you can do it.
You can do it.
I picked that word, like, every way I want, you can do it. put in that
your
garment,
effort in practice.
like you will really do it.
Yeah.
So that's why it's the only way I film. And now I could be guest stars then. And then I shoot a film. So you saw my actions like Chantel. How much when I was I say, well, we got start. Oh, where is it now? So then I was following him step by step to his location here and there. So I stopped for a while, like 2 years. I stopped.
Yeah.
I wasn't going again. My dad said it was support of the musical stuff. You don't like the musical video. You don't like this. Then it was really concerned the musical video. The guy. So I met this guy again on my heart. So he saw me at my complex. Then I was working as secretary, which I'm still working now. Yeah. So he saw me there. He said he just liked my height, my complexion. That he wants to shoot a movie. The movie concerned about my station and everything. Okay. I was like, I don't want to go into this movie again. I don't like it. He persuaded me that I should come. It's not going to hard. Not going to take time. I went there. So the movie was a Korean man. Manare location or Madoya shoot for. You know, like Wadia. I got a more see Tava, so the movie not the Ladian. The director started calling me. You know, I said, "You mean we're filming now? Where are you? Have you registered as a member?" I was like, we may register." So it really left me. Then I register. I mean, never say industry. If Daniel, if Rigo, if I allow work, maybe show. If allow, na. If the me a Santos, a Pasaro Yigwe. The Melanie only Cabo official make a Cabo most films. They are here. I didn't academy we don't register 3 years ago. Yeah, VN. So right now I'm a full AR member. AR member working. We do pataki as a do actor. I'm working. Kakaboka have the ID card. Do not with me here.
Alright, that's cool. That's a nice one. At least for you to analyze yourself to this extent. So what you're saying is Osaze Dixon,
yes,
brought you to the game.
Kakabo.
And all this while it has been a smooth journey for you. And I know say you don't encounter challenges, but that will come later. You understand? So we'll go on a break. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself with the comeback. You understand?
Alright.
I'll catch you.
Baby.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
baby.
Adesua!
This one.
Back, you know, to the game, back to the same platform, back to everything, you understand? Still with Chantel Smith, all the way from Iguayame. That one I joke. If he give you phone number, tell you say that Iguayame day, now like you waste your transport, waste your fuel, waste everything, go there. You understand? That's not the truth. But I believe this is a platform for you to disclose your route. So where are you from? No, let's be sincere.
My local government, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm from Modern local government, East. That's it's not where.
No wonder when you are Santos close. All those are movie squad. I don't they suspect you now why on close reach like that. Because the last time I checked, you told me that Osaze Dixon was behind your coming in. You understand? So right now we need this. All we see these days is always in Santos production. Always in Santos production. Today is Santos production.
Yeah, but I'm back to Dixon now.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last film is the last film he produced. Let me go collect now. That EVA.
Okay, EVA. Yes, that was the film.
Featured in EVA. Yeah. So I think that was a nice one.
Thank you very much.
From Dixon. So I believe when we are expecting a good job, we know the area and where they get them from.
Definitely.
So Dixon is always a good director and is always stable and always reliable.
Yeah.
So you tell us when you come in, but you'll be one smuggle, you'll be one escape from how many years you don't spend. And trust me, we know they lose guard because we are not stupid upstairs. So we will always bring you back. So you tell us when you came in, but you not tell us how many years and the exact year when we say you come in. And I believe that's why this platform, that's the main purpose why this platform was designed, so that it can dish everything else with no control. It's platform or sensor. So how many years and when exactly, which year? May I know whether you still this small for the industry?
Okay.
If you be in front of the industry or you are just coming
fully 2013.
2013.
Yeah. As I started that 2013 that I came in, I was still a marketer. I was featured in any movie.
Okay.
So 2013, that was when I did one movie with Osaze.
Okay.
Dixon. So.
Okay. Many then that pushes us to the next conclusion. So many will not go do wrong now if we ask you the title of your next movie.
Giatise. That was the movie. Yeah, then Giatise.
Okay. Giatise no I film in the car. You played the role of in that Giatise. That's the area I'm moving to right now.
Okay.
You played the role. What was the character you played in that film?
But when you work at the garage, I was given the lines like the line they hidden here, it didn't live but main character. If the film was just like a reality show.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've watched that Giatise.
Yeah, I remember.
It was like a game. It was a project of its kind. So I still recall that was a project crafted by Usaze Dixon, one of the I don't know me too. I can meet some other directors not on the vote, but trust me, that guy is good. If I see people when go, I will not hesitate to tell you. So, meaning 2013 to this time, automatically 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You only go roughly 5 years, maybe 6 years in the game. Wow, that is huge. Chop Noko.
Where's my brother?
5 years. Not be small, child. I'm more than barely 5 years ago, but now we know their status. They are chipping from one corner, You don't understand when they rain. Let me concentrate on the social media aspect of it before I come back. You don't understand? These days, because I'm your friend. I happen to be your friend on Facebook, and these days you post. No, normally you post always. Should I say? What if I say every day? You almost post every day, and you post some amazing, tips like some kind proverbs and some kinds informations, unexpected ones. You understand? So I never knew you as a comedian. So I never knew you as a storyteller. And the last time I checked, you were not the producer. So I wonder whether you maintain your way to that direction. You were not once a freedom fighter, because I never hear him anywhere, but it should be within you and the people when they're around you. So you never declare the intention openly. So I know say something there behind all those tips. When you say you publish every year, every day, almost every day.
Yes.
You can recall. So So do you have any intention behind that tips, or you just the publishing?
Let me answer that question.
Or publishing
as an actor, can you have all the skills to pursue as an actor,
Okay.
We are good as a comedian, a dancer, acting, singer, everything.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
How can you do good at every aspect?
In every aspect. Okay.
So me writing those comedy, like those proverbs, like you said, we write up on Facebook. But so I fancy making you gear here. You have a more than you have a gear. Picture. Yeah. Oh, I have a gear, a shot. I have a reply comment. I have a get at your leisure time.
Okay. So what you are telling us now is, as an actress, you are good in. I'm not saying you are good to go. At all times. They call you for music. Even if you're not too, but you will try.
I will try.
So, if you are called maybe in comedy, are you also a presenter?
Yeah, I'm a presenter.
You present? Because I see one of this thing lately. You be like say get one show. Whether you the endorse person or they embark on a program. So something like that. So I don't know what's that program for.
It's a music concert and a birthday bash.
So are you trying to switch?
No, she just confirmed me as a special guest.
Okay, you're a special
guest. So
okay.
I
never read to that point. Let's divert a little. What about the dancing aspect of it? Because you came into the industry as a dancer.
Yes.
So, but maybe as time goes on, you can see maybe you don't enjoy a little sweet of the movie making. You understand? So, are you going to allow the dancing aspect of it to just go like that, or you are still reviving it anytime?
How? You can see I know what the way I running. But yeah, my musical video so you be Joe.
Okay, you still dance.
Yeah, I see dance like you Joe as a modeling, dancing, stuff like that. Musical video.
Okay, because the last time I checked, I saw one video. I think it was from Odionje Osayan.
Yes.
So you happen to be one of these dancers.
Yeah.
But you can't dance with respect. I say that's my celebrity. The kind of this woman, you know what I want. So obviously you just the dance. So I so much appreciate your effort and your contribution to that video. I think that video was a good one.
Yes.
And it was a nice one. So we're not doing my pick. If we see better thing, we didn't know. So that video was a nice one. So meaning that dancer, that dancing crew. I don't know whether you did dancing crew.
No.
But the lineage you see there.
Yes. That's it.
So are you saying if we should come before you now, say we want to engage you for any dancing party?
My brother wants to me.
You will gladly attend.
Everybody, how about you with me? I go to grace the occasion. More than that.
Because I know you as a person that is always busy. When no many people are waiting me for, I want to see chance to go dance.
Yeah.
All right, no problem. So you dance, you act.
Yeah.
Let's take the singing aspect of it. Let's take that away. You know, understand? Because now when you don't do your album or do your track,
yes.
But when we tracking what feature who feature Alaska or Mickey Jagger.
May feature away, my brother. May feature away.
But I'm winning and I'm betting with the I'm winning and all right. Our Benin musicians, they are very good. I appreciate wherever, anywhere on a day, Usabo Afian Guwa, you know. So upper you and bigger you, I pray. I believe even Runobu Beniana, but they are twice in our Tolunwe. So many. And at the same time, you made mention something about a secretary. You say you did do secretary.
Yes.
So you still dealing the game.
Yes,
no wonder when they say you did busy always. No wonder when they say busy. We'll go on a break. Trust me when I say we'll come back.
Genesis 1, verse 1. In the beginning.
Vibe.
In the.
Everybody.
In the beginning. In the.
Afeni.
In the beginning.
Everybody, yeah. Reason of Aveni. Berry.
Zuzi on the track.
Me and my niggas, me and my suicide. Me and my niggas, we just the ball out. Some of my niggas just live out of town. Some of my niggas just the ball. Oh yeah, kilo day, kilo day, kilo day, kilo day. Let me ask Baba Yetunde. Kilo day, kilo day, kilo day, kilo day. All my niggas just they feel my pain.
Feel my pain, feel my pain. Then they feel my pain. I buy Gary 10 cover. I give Mary Chikokam, Mary Cookam in order. Slap Mary in order. I wish can Mary be this one. I mean not a see, like she be a lazy girl. She be crazy girl.
Oh man, no neck be vana a big one. Oh man, no neck be vana mudi. I mean a talaja unwa ya. You understand? So now I'm about to ask you an awkward question. I get 3 awkward questions when I want to ask you, and one. Now you did this lane. You did this lane. You did this lane. Secretary. They line up dancing and moving. And if I say you locate, and among all the 3 areas, now the movie, now can't they young pass because it's like you've been in the secretary lineage for long, and that dancing you don't did there for long. Okay, what if you are asked to choose one among the 3? And if the 2, you just quit them, let them go. Don't even let them meet the movie, the dancing, and the secretary job. They say may you just quit the 2, may you choose one. Then you allow the rest to go. And anyone when you quit, you never come back to it again.
I'll quit. I will accept movie because I love films.
Okay, you accept movie.
Yeah.
It's how we secretary. Supposing you're 2 secretary. From here, I just call.
No, you're feeling.
If forvest me, not the same, but if forvest me. If forvest me. When I need me, when I'm on your bar. When I need me, I will play secretary with school. So I so much appreciate for you to, being able to pick out, movie because the way I see things, not because I am in the game. Moving, I wait to be say, man, you did do one with joy.
Yeah.
Irrespective of the rumor over there, say money not or whatever, but now waiting you just do the open doors.
Brother.
So you understand? That's the area I am.
Take a door to the world.
We are almost there.
Edo.
And we must assume the position they want us to assume. You understand? So, still on it, you know, you are very beautiful. Yeah, I don't need to check this, I don't need person to whisper me. You understand? Even from afar. I think say maybe from afar, say you fine. Say if I near you, you go ugly. You know, say get some side of people when we say they get distance beauty. Yeah. If you near them, you'll be disappointed. So when I near you, you can't even, the more they day close, the more the thing they convince I be after me, I just declare my intention. I said no. Yeah, we give na yo or one come with the so I just okay me I not con the me and bros not con the drag. So oh your bros now with the good there. On your water. So that's for that. So if for example normally it's a common knowledge the people then they criticize Benin movie everywhere, and as beautiful as you are, a person like you say you don't want to walk. If you just get me, maybe say they're yours. I'm not trying to, you know, not be wrong attention. Okay. But if you all get me, when go you see after no shaking, bad as a bad. At least 50-50 Kenya any gain every month, you know, due to your beauty and all, you know, your courage and everything. But you still decide to walk, you know, on behalf of the criticism. So how are you handling the criticism? Many people, actors, they know they get money not they the moving industry. So if somebody like you when suppose get plan B, but you still there inside, you don't understand. So you don't check on. So that's to say you don't too care about the criticism. Yes. So you just move on doing your thing. So what do you have to say? No problem. Yeah.
My brother, I make a note of okay. I make a note of okay. Understand? As in, I'm a someone or to tell me.
All better.
Understand? So, if you made do all me, I'm not saying you're not tired, maybe. Okay. Don't want me make a lot of me quitting. Yeah. Do you understand? Okay. So I believe when I came to this industry, I got you might be better than and
I can attest to that.
Even when you may be most of the time, and I don't wear a color where over incredible one now because whether Nigeria or too much. But even the so called Hollywood near Tabasabani, my brother, yeah, where this that when you can. But while the Magmo, I say, exactly. Even I quitted the film, I can be a hangout, Nigeria. Right, Tana? So when you are talking about even you are saying if you again, yeah. Again, I say, a day I go YouTube again. When you are saying, yeah, you give me my brother go out when you are again. Yeah. Yes.
So you viewers out there, if Shante Smith, you know, as beautiful as she is, if she defied the talk, the gossips, and every other thing, you know, attached to that got everything to do with the criticism, whether they criticize our project or most especially put the project from this heartbeat of the nation, fit defy and still move on. See whether I like them or not. When I know verse, when I go wash them.
Yes.
I'm a queen man or robot daffin. A queen a man ekbe or robi biegba. Una go wash them. And if una watch them, man,
una go feel like them.
Una go like them. And if una like them, wait till you don't like, let them deal within you or just comment. Then we work on it. You understand? So you criticizing, you saying all sort of. I don't want to use some focal word. You understand? So I believe you watch people to celebrate them. You don't watch people to criticize them. So if you watch, whenever you discover any error, I believe a comment box is there for you to, you know, hear your opinion. Where on a video, Jikwa Managwan or backbone my young. So, Ochioma, what I will go on a break.
Oh yeah.
I will be back.
Max! Hey! Roll it for them. Yeah, I wanna do it real quick. Body hats. You know what it is when niggas are we grinding, you know? Yeah, me just be our shit, don't understand, oh my god. Why? Say! Grind, chill! Grind, yeah, yo! Grind! Let go! One time!
We just take a snapshot of all, you know, so that should in case you don't know the diva, not just be carried away by her beauty alone, can't forget her work. So, I will have to have And within this short period of 5 years you made mention of, you know, if you tell me say all the movies when you don't do, or how many movies when you don't forget how many already?
I can say it has to see you have a very super or boom. You have to see with me like 5 or 10.
Okay.
5 or 10 way. Or you have to see you have a very or boom.
Okay, mini. Okay, let's round it up. Mini, you not feel remember all.
Yes.
Okay, can I guess?
Okay.
What if I say 20?
More than.
What if I say 30?
More than.
50?
Yeah, close.
Well, they will increase your monthly due. They will increase them for you. Wait. They will increase your monthly due. You don't wait. You don't pay. You don't play 50 things. Anyway, where you now? They will increase your monthly.
What's on now, my brother?
No, I just ask. Me feel no. They feel no. You understand? That's why I said. So when I start to the pay back, Presido, imagine when I increase monthly due because we're gonna tell me year. So okay, mini. Finally, not finally, but systematically what you're telling us, you don't, at least within the range of 40 to 50.
Yes.
Wow. But among all, you're supposed to get favorite.
My favorite film is Emily.
Emily.
Yeah.
A Benin movie.
Yeah, Emily. Emily was the girl. Title of the film, Emily.
Okay. Produced by who?
By Osaro Oyego Santos.
Santos. It did market on a YouTube film.
It did YouTube.
Okay, it's on YouTube.
Yeah, but it's not to be on market.
Wow, that's a good one. And you played the role of?
I was a friend to the Ibe side, the Emily Ibe side. So I was a friend to so challenging.
I believe it was a
no, you must hear it again. Okay, I go out with you.
Na character, I mean.
A precious. Yeah.
In the character. So I believe you. Before you can figure out that film, there must be something special in that project. So, but you still haven't tell us your name in that movie. The character, your name, the character you played.
I was Imwetinya.
Okay, friend to the Imbe.
Yeah, to the Imbe.
That was a nice one. But I'm very sure that must not be the film where you say, man, they are not good there. They are not good there. When you say, man, you don't, because you know, challenges is inevitable here. I'm not talking about the challenges of life. I'm not talking about the challenges in the industry. But sometimes, you know, say get some kind of film where you do. Okay, hey, now you hear. Yeah, I'm very sure. So, okay, what you are now telling us, Emily.
I mean, it wasn't that challenging, but I loved the role.
Okay, you loved the role because you played the lead role.
Yeah, sub-lead.
Okay, sub-lead. Yeah. Oh wow, it's very obvious that now the Imbe side is.
I'm talking about the challenging role I've ever seen. Yeah. Oh, a pastor done a film in Ameu. And a guy a working pastor.
Yeah.
He my brother a Bible Nikoti.
Okay, that has been your challenge.
Yeah.
You faced the biggest challenge.
Kakabo.
Okay, so tell me more about this, Emily. Is it what's the story like? Was it tell me a little about the story?
Again, I best I know.
Was it a good storyline?
Yeah, it was a good storyline.
Okay.
So, era na imwe odokwene.
Okay.
Yana mwe kweno do he.
Okay.
Na the man we ye hata ti ge wa that oma egumara phone.
Okay.
So the man re doctor no ha treat e wa.
Okay.
The doctor na ye me doctor we so na wo wa.
Okay.
Emily na do ama na doctor. Etani ya ge Emily we egumara ye we ri e fun mi obi. Na we mbe na mai de kwemi de wo sunu.
Yeah.
Ogi se dokpa. We no ti ko ese na you know e. Amwe ko nu e owe doctor. I doctor no dari kun ni e. Era ka ma we dukun no keke no e awo no re post no.
Yes.
Okay, stuff like that. Era na we e post no e kun no gbe best e kun no gbe feran. Wo ge gbe baba e doctor me kin mo hun no kun gbe. The doctor was ame. Greg Igbonosun was the doctor.
Okay.
So Ilebo was the husband to be to the Imbe side. Nira keep it away. Gbe ara ni yan jani ma. E ma ni dewe omo otogbo ne. Ye otogbo a exchange oku. So erioga na ere mi do ya mo ko le doctor o. Ere no mo na we ere ha o mo so imotogbo yen ni yen. Oku na mami oku. Mami no togbo
Oni ameko yin amahien giaza. The film, you know, from the way you narrated the story, he seems captivating. Not be say we not go feel. Definitely we flash to the film, but I just want you to analyze a little. Yeah, I know whether you did, flashback in a hurry. Okay. That was a good one, Chop Noko.
Thank you.
You'll be a producer very soon.
Amen. No.
You wish so.
Amen.
We are drinking more discussion. So what you're saying, you have a story.
Yeah.
On your own. And you wish to be a producer.
Definitely.
Someday. So how about the directing aspect of it?
I'll look for a good director.
Okay.
Everybody is good though.
Yeah, sure.
Good, yeah.
So meaning you have a story, you have a story to prepare you.
Yes. By the grace of God,
oh wow, it's coming down soon.
Yeah.
That's a good one. You never get the title, sir?
No.
Okay, because why do we get the title? Who will tell? No, oh, that's a nice one. You know what? You complain a lot. What kind of man? Eh? Before now, whenever you can swim, now we go and see one you out. Who let dona yari no bolose? We product in Gualo, Aero, the product we have Munui, when we Naki album here. Then I have to drive down to Asaba. It took me 3 whole fucking days. Kagania request Yokia, you can to deliver. Then I didn't give up. Who need the car? It did big for nothing. Who Gualo, where he lost El Gualo. You are not a government official. Where you can work and loss, then I have to work hard, then you not deal loss in him. Then after that, and then you go to Variama, you have a just 50 by 100. Who are money you on just 3 days ago. Who have been Brazilian head. Then you have 150,000. You to know you even a year. Imagine 5,000 naira kekan. 5,000 naira kekan. We have the two. Why are we to know you? Look at what you are showing me.
But we can tell me you can't do that. What you can't do? Tell me where for the beginning where at my man. When it's in the Agualo, what do you mean? When you say told me you will take care of me, but I don't mean I mean I know when it's the way to accompany.
Oh yes, you come away where I will take care of you. I'm not disputing that, but not to the extent of killing myself. You're not with me. Where did you go? Say now, me ma understand me.
Okay, now you have a lipstick. Now you get lipstick, man.
Huh? A lipstick. No, why I won't.
A lipstick.
A lipstick, you can't.
I want to make my mom say for the beginning. We like we even made the lipstick. Now, I'm going to go.
You know what? I am done. Just go to her.
Where?
Why you here? I said you should go to her. To your river.
Jesus is Lord.
All right, back. When I mean I'm back, together we are back. So with the way you interpret, your rules, I'm very sure you interpret with body. You interpret with outside the words of your mouth, with your body movement, So you don't need any confirmation to know, say you are a born actress.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you are very good. Not because you are here. So people when good, people they know. And I say it's audible. It's audible to the deaf and visible to the blind.
Yes.
So yeah, where I give my mama. And why you know So the last time I checked, I still haven't been able to figure out your method. But I know you have a role model. And I wonder how that person be for inside this industry.
Okay.
Or you just now let you work at home.
Let me before, but I can't the I want role model.
Okay.
That's
a woman?
Yeah,
or a man?
A woman. That's my lady.
I'll be irritated with Hannah.
What is it?
Okay, no, I just want to know. Okay.
Although she's not here, or she's in Europe now.
Okay.
Osamede Igirao or something. I don't know how to pronounce the name.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the lady.
Yeah. I recall.
Yeah.
I recall.
So I watched one of her film then. Enyeneze. I so much love her in that movie. Okay. Like she acted well. Like I think she was a real mind. Something like that. So I just love her role. She acted well. Like everything about her. It's not. I want her way a film of herself.
Yeah.
You understand? So from there, now I will now. Yeah, the full step again.
Oh wow.
So I love it.
That was a nice one. I believe wherever you are right now, you should be a proud type because you are one winner. No man me no yek better. You know winner ni agbegbe you understand? So Chantel Smith just gave kudos to you not quite long right here on the platform. I got you anywhere on the platform now. No, I tell you now the secret. And I see anywhere on the platform now. And I see anywhere we no man. Wa so bom we mi dan. Oh here we no man you obo. Wa so bom we mi no man. Odo le gbe massage o ya wanyo. Pato. On key, you know. Finally, you finally disclose your method, and they're considering your beauty. You don't know why I keep emphasizing your beauty because here where you know it's a common knowledge and it's a popular saying in Edo language. I will going almost say, but me can't surprise the way you can't take this sober. You know to the worry, you know just get stressed, you know understand. I don't know whether you now your calculative mood you do, whether you just wait for a win in my you know understand. So but we are not expecting that. No. So I wonder, I doubt if your parents support your coming in. Yeah. You know. Yeah. So, at first, I'm okay. But you have to make him understand the way you know. I don't know. Okay. So, so that's just it. And I walk it since you carry your name. Yeah, where I got do me man me would do on your man. Yeah, we have film name. I do a jig in the way or maybe gay. Did we have to walk my way? You might have to say, well, my way, I didn't do it. Okay, yeah, beg anyway. So if you make an egg and I get you arty, I keep away a joke. And Urania. Uma fafa, uma te, uma wi. Uma be sote, uma be DJ nikau.
What, my brother?
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G-Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Chantel, I believe we're I'm a mikwangbe. I don't born and you understand. I feel with the bag bogman, and I feel with the bag bogman. It can finish you understand? So you previously before now, when I was moving towards a particular direction, then you made me understand where make I finish am. When you work when I no. You know, right now I'm about to ask you a question about your, love life. Okay. Your love life. Because if you're an adult, you know be small picking. I know if you tell me as you be like this, you just be free. Are you married? You have a kid? You have a husband? How many? 5, 10, 15? How many children do you have? 20, 30, 40? Or you divorced? Or your husband? Alpha, tell him.
I'm not married. In my own mundo. Okay.
In a serious relationship, I guess.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you didn't get on
I could rig my brother.
Mama, wait, in still session.
Still say, why you say she's a one? He said, no, he had the room.
Why you say? Okay, you are session, I'm session.
What on
okay, you are session, I'm session. Let's work things out. You understand? So many. You are not in a relationship yet. But are you planning to get married soon?
Sure.
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible. As soon as my boyfriend.
Serious.
My brother. Okay,
because there are some set of people. Their husband may be ready, but then when he am a boy. So I wonder if that guy just come forth now. So look, Chantel, I'm ready. You'll gladly follow him.
Yeah. I'll go.
Okay. So meaning 3 years time, hero mother mahina play well. No, if you don't get 2, 3.
I can still be playing the role of a young lady.
You maintain your stardom?
Yes.
You promise that?
Yes.
Good. Chop noko. Wow.
Let's see.
Rezo, we dey take on slowly. I work back on the platform. My Mario Masa, we Mario Masa. So I call our 2020. So, even when I was driving towards the direction of the challenges you know faced in the industry, so I was trying to, you know, display everything to your understanding. But another thing took over my mind. So where there are challenges are, like I said before, or workable. You understand? Where there's no rules, there's no offense.
Yes.
So on behalf of who brought you in and the director you'll be working with, I believe there are challenges you faced and you never want to disclose them, or you didn't look for the right time when you say you want to disclose them. If not, people intimidate you. I would like to know those challenges when you say you don't face for the industry. And waiting you talk, you know, see how come you go see the user and they grow.
Yes.
You know, understand, so that they will also know that challenges is just a natural drift, you know, in life. So we are good to go.
I would like to say this. Adasun Wagbona.
Okay.
Only even cow. With that song, you know how I can do me one line warrior. On your kind, you can't quit at the first time. But he do get where I'm gonna okade no. Now okay, Nika say me boy, but every one you shake a cabo, but why location here me want to do anything meal. But here how get the two get made this deal. They
know why you give you.
You understand? It's to made the passion for the game. If you are but I just a very so bo. Ah, go second and I because every mistake, but every new first was no string we are any. Yeah. One no where I no more every night. Women on hand no. What be a career? Could be like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days vacation. You will eat once in a day. Most like we record, most like we record the other way on it. Even where you said you would anyway. Let me just push forward. You was there. I feel with the agarro. Yeah. Did you are but so when I just say you might go. The area is very. You must say you wait there. Where are they? But you don't get away. I mean, reckon you the name first men now. You can't pass through all those things in there. Yeah. You love with the game and stay. You may work with their footstep. You may busy. But for the young ones in the day, what that will go, why we work without, and where industry now or shake on another law, why we work without the first thing, or why you go, or and why you blow once, you want to get fame. No, when you are good, the rest will look for you.
Exactly.
That's just it. Yeah. But I'm gonna worry. You don't have to cast yourself or to shake everybody.
To make them understand that you are there.
No. Just be good. When you are good, you are good. People will look for you. That's just it.
Okay. You don't clear the aspect. Yeah. Now you have advice for them. The upcoming.
Okay. The upcoming Kataban. Where we go Kudao or where the number one. Where we go Kudao or the number one. Number 2, be humble.
Our lawyer.
Be humble. Oh, one the money double thing where say if you want education or 2 what's the location to where a good man like lava to where my brother man will be jay what to ya. At least if you want to buy something like I do only on bona you have to be loyal to everybody. While loyal my sister or my brother, I am a worry. But una from a big girl, we big girl, maybe I only mail Never have now from a big girl, very big girl, or I cut a 10K, 10,000 where what was it? You will check go ask. So I beg, just stay humble. A man is begging my you go up when you came away. Citizen, he may carry so I tell me.
You be talking like say I too senior you now. The last time I checked, we never even know whether I senior you.
Citizen, without the me petty.
All right, that was a good one. You still have more to say?
Not really.
Okay. When I don't hear from Shante Smith, he don't tell you everything, some of the challenges you went through, and there's some sacrifice you need to pay, some sacrifice you need to make. You need to humble yourself. You don't be a profit conscious, you know. You understand? So again, on the platform, don't forget in the hurry. And I believe it's a great privilege for us to have Shante here on the platform. Trust me when I say she's going to come back again. If we don't want to dig a matter. We don't want to investigate a matter. You know, understand? So in time to come, we will know more about her. So you know where she's from. You know her method. You know how many films where she don't do. Just one word from you, and we'll go.
Let me say, the platform is a facelift. You know? And please, so I want to beg you for something with our fan, please. I'm not begging you for anything, no. Please don't forget to always subscribe to Gorilla TV. Please, I beg of you. I don't need anything, any money from you. I don't need anything from you. I don't need any gift from you. But please, just press. It doesn't cost anything. I mean, when I go over subscribe, I mean my data. Why pressing that red something?
Hit the button.
We'll subscribe in a scene. Nakana.
So that you will always get. Yeah. We will continue to appreciate you. But one thing, why be say if na bad thing, if na when bad thing happen to our enemy for this industry, to some of our enemy, now some of them they share now. We go do things. Some of them are not. Some they try, some they good. You know understand? Yeah. So we go do things. Some of them go watch, we not go share. We go do any, you know, any when negative things happen, now some of them they share. Waiting they happen.
If
some of them
happen,
you know understand?
Before you were there, who did that side don't hear?
They don't hear. And they not go say make they your wash and make they keep on with themselves. They go share. But we go do things, we not go share. See if you want share, okay. The time when we say you take the share bad news, now just press share. You don't go. It's automatically you don't see supporters. Supporters. I mean your big. It's not all about money. Support us, click to our film, click on our film, watch, subscribe, share. Those are the things we request for. You understand? So I know say everybody need help, you need help, me need help, but let's help ourselves the little way we can. So I always say, when me and I help where I will not hesitate to. You understand? So Osalo Boanyati, we appreciate, thank you for being with us today on the platform. Trust me, we are going to see you again. The next episode, I'm not going to disclose the person. Again, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son. Now she don't talk her name several times. She's Shante Smith. I will not always forget, you know, the brain boss behind, you know, the wizard. When we say they behind, you know, a camera. When we say they regulate everything within a second, within a minute, and everything will manifest. Ken Odao. When I meet Ken Odao, MD of KD Films, and the life of Maxi, but we call him Maxi Bliss.